Land surveying is vital for determining a property's boundaries and features. Land surveys are essential for property transactions, construction, and land development. Several land survey methods are accessible today, thanks to technology. The ideal land survey method depends on various criteria, including property size, geography, and accuracy. The classic field survey approach is widely used in land surveying. Using a total station or theodolite, this approach measures ground angles and distances. The measurements are used to make a map or plan of the surveyed region. This procedure is time-consuming and costly, especially for big holdings or difficult terrain. Aerial surveying is another land survey approach that has grown in popularity. This technology uses camera-equipped drones or aircraft to photograph the area from above. A 3D map or model of the surveyed region is created from the photos. This approach swiftly covers wide areas and yields reliable findings. However, extensive vegetation or structures that block the view may make it unsuitable. The project's needs determine the optimal land survey method. For example, aerial and field surveys may be needed for high precision. However, an aerial survey may be better if speed and cost are critical. A reliable and competent land surveying business is vital for your project. SCON Design is a land survey firm that provides excellent service. They have a team of seasoned specialists who employ the latest technology and procedures to deliver precise and dependable results. SCON Design provides customized services to meet their clients' demands. To receive the finest results from a Telangana land survey, there are a few measures to follow. Finding the finest survey company is the first step. SCON Design is a Telangana surveying business with a good reputation. After choosing a provider, contact them and tell them about your land and what you want from the survey. This will enable the surveyors understand your needs and customize their services. Surveyors will visit your property and use sophisticated equipment to measure and map it. They will also identify any physical elements that may affect land use, such as trees, rocks, or natural water supplies. The company will provide a report after the survey. If you plan to build or develop on the land, this report will help you design and build compliant constructions. Land surveys must be done by competent specialists because they are legal documentation. It's important to engage with a respectable company like SCON Design, which has a team of expert surveyors who follow ethical and professional standards. In conclusion, Telangana land surveys involve meticulous investigation and planning. By working with a reliable company like SCON Design, you can guarantee that your survey is precise and efficient, giving you with useful information about your land that may help you make informed decisions regarding its usage.